You don't own hip hop, JJ. It is now time for Grandpa the Clock to take note of Grandpa the Rap. Boom, 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 old school throwing up now. And that's how I guzzle an alcoholic crowd. It is now time for Grandpa the Clock to take note of Grandpa the Rap. Boom, 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 old school throw up now. And that's how I guzzle an alcoholic crowd. It's time now for Grandpa the Clock to take note of Grandpa the Rap. Boom, 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 old school throw up now. And that's how I guzzle an alcoholic crowd. Yo, yo, yo. Every time I throw down, yeah, I get down with a sound. Got the boom, 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 unique sound. I don't need repetitive pattern retard. Slapping her chest, looking like it's a ghost town, man. What I do, hey, I don't even know, 'cause I had it the first time, right? Yeah, retard school for the motherfucking know. Every time I smoke my bowl, yeah, ski legs on the good ones, so every time I throw down, what I got, 1 minute in a unique sound. I freestyle, yeah, I come up now. Anytime I want, opportunities and entrepreneur, boom, boom, coming from the trunk. Yeah, freestyle throwing down, yeah, I'm taking her to lunch. And she gets so pissed off, she don't even know how her brain cells are about to explode. It's time now for Grandpa the Clock to take note. Grandpa the Rap. Boom, 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 old school throw up now. And that's how I guzzle an alcoholic crowd. It's time now for Grandpa the Rap. Clock, take note. Grandpa the Rap. Jock. Boom, 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 old school throw up now. That's how I guzzle an alcoholic crowd. Time now for Grandpa the Clock. Take note of Grandpa the Rap. Boom, boom, boom. Old school throw up now. And that's how I guzzle an alcoholic crowd. American proud. Yo, they thought they could take out my teeth. They thought they could chop my head off like a white man beast. But I let my teeth right sink down to the bone. Yeah, I grab my fork and fingers and eat my steak. Yeah, I could chew the shit like it was so great. Just to make fun of everything that was moving weight. Big fat ass on the Chuck E. Cheese. She like, goddamn, William, will you lay off the fucking marijuana place? I was like, no, 'cause I like blowing smoke. And I love everything that I fucking wrote. It's time now for Grandpa the Clock to take note of Grandpa the Rap. Boom, 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 old school throw up now. This is how I just lay it down. Retard spirit walking all around. So I'm gonna lay the hook like 3 fucking times. Repetitive pattern gets a retarded ass up on my mind. Time to take time for Grandpa the Clock to take note. A Grandpa the Rap. Boom, 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 old school throw up now. That's how I guzzle an alcoholic crowd. It's time now for Grandpa the Clock to take note of Grandpa the Rap. Boom, 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 old school throw up now. That's how I guzzle an alcoholic crowd. It's time now for Grandpa to rock, rock. That ain't my shit on the fucking spot. Repetitive retard, sparrow walking the album drop. It's time now for the Grandpa the Clock. Take note of Grandpa the Rap. Boom, 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 old school throw up now. That's how I guzzle an alcoholic crowd. Get the cake, 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 cake. Oh, I don't even know. We got fucking broke. So we took the shit to the scrap and go. Oh, I don't even know, but I made a few bucks just for saying, yeah, I got hip hop love.